Hi everyone, first off, I've started the vlog mid section because actually the clips before this have gotten lost, and here I'm being a little crazy, but I'm at a family friend's house. The people here are family friend, and I've been asked to come here because I needed to bring something to them. But after that, I'm going to go back home. So this is me at the middle of the day. I'm bored as hell. I can't just go at any time that I want here because taxis are a bit of a problem, obviously. So I'm contemplating what I should do, but later on I end up taking the taxi. See that pavilion, that's the mall pavilion, and I'm going back to Mbazi. I won't show when I get there because it will be dark already, very dark. As you can see, it's dark already in this clip. I'll just show myself the next day. I'll be in town again. So here I am in town at the beach, more specifically, and therapeutic to be at the beach, and I love being there. I try to go to the beach as often as possible. Like a month mustn't go by without me ever going to the beach. Had to put on my coat because it was getting really chilly, and then after that I went to Steers to get an ice cream. The weather is not happy. It's raining, and I'm hoping that the rain doesn't get any heavier because I don't have an umbrella and I have to go to the doctor today. I have absolutely no choice. And I'm wearing a jacket with some jeans on and tackies. I'm going to be able to show much better what my outfit looks like once I get to the mall. So that's it, and bye. The sun is still not out as yet, so I just arrived here, and that's about it. So I've come back from the doctor and I thought I wouldn't turn on the camera because it's dark now, it's late at night, but I just had to show this. I thrifted these green pants. They're from Zara and oh my god, they are so perfect and they fit me even at the back. Wait. See, and then they have these two front pockets and they are real pockets. You can actually like open them here. Let me try opening. Oh, see. I'm so happy. Okay, let me show them. Okay, I'm trying to show them, but I want to show them again tomorrow when the sun is out and stuff and it's not so dark. They're up to my ankle length. Now let me try and show them better, but I'm so happy. Good morning, and as you can tell, I don't know if you can, but I'm not happy. I've been waiting for my father to come and he's not here, and I tried calling him and his phone goes to voicemail immediately. Now I don't know what that means exactly, but now I'm about to go and take a bath. I'm tired and the weather is not great. It's not raining, but it's really cold and it's really windy. It's a very gloomy day, not an exciting day. There's not much to do. Life is just so boring today, which is why I'm so mad that he's not here as yet, or at least calling, giving me an update that I'm here now. This is where I'm passing by. I'm almost there. Maybe I'm an hour away, 2 hours away, 3 hours, even 4 hours is better than knowing nothing. But I'm here right now. And I'm trying to be okay with it. And I'm not okay. Because I've been waiting. Anyway, my 2 bath gloves, I had left them outside yesterday when I went to town. And then, excuse me, because I wanted them to dry, obviously. And then I forgot to take them in yesterday when it was dark. And I was scared to get out and try and fetch them. This morning, I go and there's only 1 glove left. Who would steal my 1 glove? I don't know, but that's weird. Anyway, we'll see where the day takes us. Bye. I'm opening this pan. I bought it with my money. Look at how extensive it looks. I'm so happy, excited to get it. And yeah, I just took it from here and I put it there. See, it's a perfect circle. I'm very, very happy about it. I've just finished making my breakfast and this is the hairstyle I went for. I've never done this before, but as you've seen before, my braids are really long. First time I've ever had them that long, and I tied them underneath here and then so they fold nicely. I like how it looks like. Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, I'm happy about it. So I'm going to eat now.